S&P 500 has been going up for the last few days, so people are breathing a sigh of relief. But let me show you something fascinating. Let's go to TradeWave AI. Just click on this S&P 500 quotes on the ticker on the top. There's a narrative over here about what's happening on S&P 500, but I'm first going to show you this based on last 24 midterm election years. Look at this. We've been on an upswing, but the projection shows that the upswing should continue just a little bit more for maybe about 1 to 2 weeks, maybe a little bit more than that, but not that much more. But look at what happens right afterwards. It's at a verge of a major drop after. Let's just go to TradeWave and look at it closely. Wave Viewer. I already have these loaded. So this is since 1974. Here's the projection. As you can see, there's an up move right here before the down starts. And the down keeps going. It's sideways somehow, but it just continues going down. If we look at the trend chart, you can see there's an up, then there is the down coming right after that. But now let's just look at it in more detail. We already saw the up move. As you see, all the greens, 85% of the years was bullish between April 11th and April 19th. How about the next one? But then the down starts. Let's check out this 19-day drop. This 19-day drop is from the 19th of April until 7th of May. Look at this. Shows 69% since 1962. Overall, the sentiment is down. We know that the fundamentals, geopolitical sentiments are down. And look at what TradeWave shows us. A major drop right here. How about the rest? How about the 68-day? Look at this one. This is from the beginning of spring. That's why we already have a 2026 bar here. So this is the first day of spring, 3/20th, going all the way to the end of month of May, 78% of the years, which means this one didn't work, but it dropped 3% first in 2014. But look at 2022, 9 and 5. 14% drop in 2022 and then closed down 9%. 2010 dropped closed 8.39. Closed almost 2 with an additional 2.67, about 4.5. So this one is pretty ugly. But let me show you the next down cycle. Look at that one. That one goes all the way to 1962. 88% repeatability from 2nd of June until July 4th. Look at this. Market has dropped. Oof. Average drop was 3.6%. Median 2.82. And it happened 88% of the years. 14 out of 16 years. All of this looks pretty ugly to me. And then let's look at the one fascinating stock that just blows my mind. I didn't check where I have it. If I don't have it, I am going to just build it. Just forget it. I'm just going to build it. NVIDIA. We want to look at NVIDIA in midterm election years. And look at this. Just out of the blue, just the same thing as I had in the S&P 500. I just put it for NVIDIA, which is from June 2nd to July 4th. It is dropping an average of 17.77%. And look at this. NVIDIA is on a down tear. The major drop of NVIDIA hasn't even started yet. Look at that. 86% of the years, almost 30%. 2022, 31 plus 16, 45% drop in 2022. And remember, if NVIDIA drops 80%, it's still going to be a $1 trillion company. The company is huge, and now they have competition everywhere. They make GPUs that is not unique. They are just the first and the best. So chances are high that this is going to repeat. NVIDIA, if you are holding NVIDIA, you gotta be managing your risk. That's it for today.